Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and as you know, if you're a regular to this channel, I let you know about all of the best deals out there for game development, and this one is great for Unity developers because the deal is free. Over on the Unity Asset Store right now, there is a collection of assets from the publisher Taffy on sale, 50% off across the board. But the key thing here, there is a free gift here as well, no purchase necessary. All you need to do is have a Asset Store account signed up, and that's all you need. So we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at it right now. So the Taffy Asset Giveaway, it's this bundle right here. You can get the free gift there. Also, you'll notice their collection of assets here are all marked down 50% off. A lot of it is base meshes, things like character hairs, outfits, and so on. There's a ton of stuff from them. And like I said, everything there, 319 assets, everything is 50% off. But what we're going to focus on today is the free bundle. So go ahead and grab this one. Just go ahead to shop now. You're going to need the code GET Taffy, G-E-T-T-A-F-I, and you're going to use that at checkout. There is no purchase required. Basically, just go ahead and click here the Get Free Gift, and then you do a Buy Now. I am already logged in, so you're going to need to be logged in to do this. I don't know why it's taking a bit of time. Also, all of my personal information is currently up on screen, which you will notice why everything is a little bit blurred out right now. What you do is come down here to the Enter coupon/credit code to update your price. We'll go ahead and paste that one in. I'll get rid of the trailing white space just in case they don't. Go ahead and do an apply. And you're going to notice the pay now went from $38.50 down to $0. And then once you're good to go, basically just buy it now. And it is available in the assets launcher side of things in Unity, which we are going to check out right now. Now, unfortunately, at this point in time, we have a bit of a hoop to jump through. What you would normally expect is you go in, grab the bundle. You can go here to Windows, you go to Package Manager, and we're going to come up here and we're going to search for TAF, which is the bundle we just got. Make sure that you're in your My Assets here. The problem is all that's actually in this bundle, if you go ahead and import it, it's just a README file. And what it's basically saying is this bundle is a bunch of individual assets, and you're going to have to grab them individually, which is a little bit annoying. So we're going to go ahead and show you that process right now. So we're going to head on back over to the bundle. You're going to see down here, now that you've purchased it, there are several different links to each individual asset in the bundle. Now that you've bought it, if I click one of these, you're going to see this example right here is available, and I can just go ahead and buy it now for free. So you got to go through each one of the assets now and buy it again. But now it is completely free now that you've purchased, air quotes again, the original asset. So I'm going to go through and buy each one of these, and then they will show up in the package manager, so I shall be right back. And as I was adding all of these to cart, I noticed that Unity seemed to have screwed something up. So another thing to be aware of here, you're going to go through all of these things and add them each individually to your cart, such as, click here, it opens it up, just click the Add to Cart button, and you'll see it's already in my cart. Now, the challenge here is this last one, Osher Hair. Yeah, it's not free. So do be careful there. When I went to go check out my cart, so you see here, I'm ready to check out, you're going to notice, hey, wait a minute, why is this charging me money? So don't add that one. So you're getting, basically in this bundle, the items are female hair, Cimmerian outfit, Scar Mail, which is a base mesh, Barbarian Helmet Collection, the Soul Keeper outfit, and then a female base mesh. So that one hair, it's supposed to be 50% off, but it looks like Unity may have screwed that one up. So once you got everything you've got, you're going to see here the total price is $0, and we are going to now go ahead and check that out. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we are here in Unity itself. It's time to grab our end user assets. We'll go to Window again. We will go to Package Manager, and now you're going to find, for example, you have to search for each one by name. Unfortunately, they didn't put Taffy in each one of their product names, which would have made life a heck of a lot easier for finding these. Okay, why are you not searching at all? Let's go here, more, and then there is one. We'll go ahead and download that one. Let it go ahead, download. When it's done, basically just import it and it's ready to go in your scene. You're going to notice this one is 186 megabytes in size and requires Unity 2018.4 or higher to use. So that should be pretty much all of us at this point in time. You're going to notice they actually have a very DAZ look. There's a reason for that. They came from DAZ, it would seem. So we'll let this finish. There we go. It should now be down. There was also a Soul something or other outfit. We'll bring that one in as well. So there is the Soul Keeper outfit. We'll go ahead and download that one. That's 128 megabytes in size. And done. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and also import that into the scene. Like so. All right, we'll import that one in. Now I'm trying to remember if I actually imported the first one or not. I'll make sure I did, and then we're going to check out these assets in action. Now that you've imported everything in, I imported the Soul something clothing, the Arwen hair, and then the Morgana model. You're going to find them. Go into the Taffy folder, and you're going to find a directory called Characters. And all of these systems are made to work together. So if you pick up something else from the sale, it should work in modular manner with everything else we're looking with. But I'm going to go in here. We're going to select a character, Morgana, and instead of just dragging in the base mesh, which you could do if you so wanted to, what we're going to instead do is use this character right here. So Morgana character. Wait, or is this one right here? Sorry, this one here, the character assembler here. So Morgana example character assembler. And what you do is basically go through and define the clothing pieces you want. I added a bunch of them in. You keep adding them as you go. And then to pick something, you basically just load it out and then pick the item you want. So to keep from being demonetized, I'm giving her pants and a top to start with. We'll give her basically a little bit of everything. So here you can see, here we're hooking up the hair, the boots, the corset, the jackets, the pant, and then we'll put some eyelashes in. So with all of those things assembled, now all you need to do is go ahead. You can see here the various different results. If you want to have morphs in there for doing animations, you can start adding morphs in as well. So you can see here, there are a number of different options out there. So if you're doing animations with your characters, you have these options available to you as well. I'm not going to get into morphs in this particular case, but as you can see, this all kind of works together as a character creator, and you kind of mix and match these various different assets together. So once you're done, you can pick out various different presets. So you can make high detail mobile, desktop low, desktop medium, desktop high. You can go ahead and preview your characters here. So we got next gen high. We'll go ahead and we'll do a preview and we'll finish there. So there you can see our end character is assembled from all the various different bits and pieces that go together to create her. So you can see here, all of this Taffy stuff sort of works together as a modular Lego system for creating characters. And let's just head on back over here. So again, there is a full-blown sale going on right now. There's other stuff in this thing that are all designed to work together. So you can see here, if we look at some of the other assets here, that the hair pieces will go together. If you need a different style hairdos and such, that's a lot of the stuff that is on sale in this bundle. And as you can see, there are a ton of items. I think it was 340 or something we saw earlier on. So you go here, Shop Taffy, 319, and everything is seemingly 50% off. But what we looked at today, that bundle is available completely free, as you saw. Just the key thing here is, unfortunately, the one hairstyle isn't available. It's not set up right. And you have to grab each thing individually once you, air quotes, purchase the bundle. But that's it, a free asset for Unity developers. I know you guys always love the free stuff, and hopefully you enjoy this. Unfortunately, I'm not giving you a bunch of lead time. You literally have until Monday at midnight Pacific time to pick this up. So if you like what you see and you watch this video, you have about 24 hours window to grab everything you see here. All right, let me know what you think. Comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.